Would you like to make money while you sleep? Sound impossible? It's actually pretty easy, and I'm going to tell you how to do it right now. What's up, everybody? I'm Nadav Reese, the financially savvy parent that you always wish you had. Pay attention, because I am actually going to teach you how to make money while you sleep. With a steady plan of consistent action, you can literally make money while you sleep. But first, if you're serious about helping your family thrive financially, please subscribe to my videos. I will teach you and your family to develop a healthy relationship with money. One time-tested way of making money while you sleep is by buying dividend stocks. Here's how it works. When you buy stock in a company, you literally become an owner of the company, and every share you buy is a tiny slice of the company. The more shares you own, the bigger your slice of the company. Some companies pay a dividend. That means they pay each shareholder, that's you, a set amount of money for each share of stock that they own. It could be a few cents, or it could be a few dollars. It all depends on the company. Most companies that pay a dividend do so quarterly, meaning every 3 months. As an example, if you owned 100 shares of a company and they paid 25 cents per share every 3 months, that means every 3 months you make $25. This is a perk of being a shareholder. Every 3 months they give you money. Here's a screenshot I had one morning. I woke up to notifications that several dividends had come in. That one-time purchase of shares results in a stream of cash. You can literally make money while you sleep. If you put aside money each month to buy more dividend companies, that means you'll have even more shares next quarter. That means you'll make even more money when these companies pay their dividends. Please speak with a certified investment professional and do your homework. You can learn about dividend growth investing and make money while you sleep. Go ahead and click up here for a video where I'll teach you how to supercharge this dividend investment strategy so you can make even more money while you sleep. Go ahead and click down here for another video that'll teach you and your family how to develop a healthy relationship with money. I'm Nadav Reese, a financially savvy parent that you always wish you had. I appreciate you joining the family. Until next time, sweet dreams.